Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send USDT on Tron TRC20 network to another wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. For this video, we're going to use Binance as our main example. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, all you have to do once you have your Binance account set and you have all the funds, simply click on the assets on the bottom right section, and then from here you can see all different options including USDT. Click on it, and then from here once it's done, all you have to do is click on the send button, and then from here you're going to choose on-chain withdraw. Now from here, as you can see, you can select for the address, network, and the amount. Once you click on the network, you can see all the options including Tron TRC20 as one of them and the main ones. Once you click on it, all you have to do is paste whatever address you might have, and then from here click on the amount that you would like to choose, and then simply click on withdraw, and there you go. Now you have sent it with a network fee of only 1 USD. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.